Check it out, guys. That's one of my favorite parts of the sunset, is it rises and falls as it sets. Sorry about the cars. It's the only way we can do this. Beautiful, man. Hello, guys. We should all try and catch the sunset in wherever we are in the world, but Africa has very special ones. So it's lowering slowly, as you can see. How beautiful is that? We're in for a good one.
Galloping sun, every side on my shoulder, into another it will blend. As a crow shrieks its riddle, so we find ourselves in the middle. Rise your fire horse, rise your fire horse. Yeah.
Guys, we have a Galloping Sun. It's the year of the fire horse. It's a very positive year for everybody. And that was a poem that I wrote, turned into a song, and I look forward to releasing it soon. Capture the moments, tinctures of time, all the beautiful things. I only see the sunset once. You can hear the words in the wind. Oh, how lucky are we? That little birdie. Right on the sun, that's amazing. The sun sets from when it hits the horizon in 6 minutes. That's how much time we have. That bird likes the camera. Most birds in South Africa